What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to episode number 4 of this Honda Civic Type R rebuild. If you are new here, we got this car off auction and we are trying to bring it back to life. This is a 2024 model FL5 in the beautiful championship white with 12,000 miles. The auction has classified this car as salvage title, wrecked, totaled, and we are trying to bring it back to life. If you guys haven't seen the previous episodes, we tore this apart. We took a few things out, kind of classified what we need, and we went from there. While we're waiting on the parts, we're going to take off this hood. I still haven't done that yet. We already got a replacement hood that's sitting on the side yard here, as you guys saw in the previous episode, as well as we have the only airbag that blew in this car. We're going to open that up and replace that real quick as well. Let's get started. We got a bunch of parts in this box. Let's make sure everything is here. All right, we got a bunch of goodies in here. We got a fender liner. We got the headlight bracket, which I don't even think we need because it came with the other headlights. Actually, I don't know. I need to double check. But we got all these little parts and brackets and seals. We got, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is probably for the bumper, for the bottom lip. We got all kinds of goodies, so let's open this up. All right, we got a bunch of OEM hoodies. Everything's OEM from the dealer. Nothing is aftermarket. We got the bumper right here that will need to get painted. I am gonna go ahead and go through these little parts so I could actually start putting this car back together as what to the things I can do. So for example, we're going to put in the crash sensors. That is the most major thing that we're going to do right now to get that out of the way. There's one right here and there's one right here. We're gonna replace those, make sure that's taken care of, out of the way. We're gonna close out this side. We're gonna put the headlight back. That should be good to go. And then I am still waiting for this reinforcement piece. Once we get that, we can kind of start putting things a little bit back together. I think I could put in the water reservoir right now. Those things can be done right now. So I don't know how I messed this up, but I got the wrong side plate that goes at the bottom here. A little support plate. I got the opposite side, unfortunately. So now we have to order the other side, the correct side, and it sucks because it's Labor Day weekend, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to get parts, but it's okay. Let's move on to something else. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna rewrap all these wires. Looks like they got a little scratched up. The electrical tape came off these a little bit. I'm just gonna rewrap this, make it look all nice, all the ones that are wrecked, and then we're gonna continue working on this washer fluid. Of course, I run out of electrical tape when I actually need it, so I'm out of electrical tape, so we're gonna have to finish up patching all these up later. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and continue working on this. I need to figure out, try to remember where all these tubes go and how to lead them. So we're gonna work on that right now. Missing this piece, which I don't think I ordered, so now I need to get this as well. Do have the top cap, but I didn't order this for some reason, so we also need this. Okay, so I need to do a little bit of research and try to figure out how these hoses go to the bottom there. I'm trying to figure it out. When the car was wrecked, it was kind of already taken apart, so it's kind of hard to remember how this was. We are also missing a major piece. I already knew that. There's kind of no way around it. So this piece right here that I was really happy about, that it's a separate piece, is on back order, and we don't have an estimated time of delivery. This is huge because this goes right here, somewhere right here, and it holds the fender. It's also the support for the hood. Can't properly align the fender or the hood if I don't have this. I might have to bend this back as much as I can just so I can put this car together, because I don't know how long I'm going to be waiting for this part, which sucks. I'm going to show you guys. I mean, you probably saw in the other episode, but this is how it goes right here. It also connects to this radiator support, headlight bracket, whatever it is. Connects it to that, so I can't even put in the headlight if I don't have this either. So really sucks that it's on back order. I've tried to reach out to a couple people that claim they have Type R parts, but no one will sell this to me separate, or they just don't respond. Nobody's willing to sell this separate. They usually just sell the whole frame pillar. So it sucks. The dealer does sell this separately, but it's on back order. But that's gonna do it for today. We just clean up a little bit, open up the parts that came as well, see what else we got, make sure we got everything, and then we're gonna have to continue when we have more parts. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. Sorry, it's kind of all over the place. I am waiting on a lot of parts, and a lot of things are back ordered. The Labor Day weekend didn't help, so I'm back by like almost the whole weekend. And it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Hopefully in the next episode, I'll try to have everything a little bit more condensed, and we're gonna be putting this car back together. So that's very exciting. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next episode.